How's it, guys? I swear coming to Adendorff for any car guy is like a kid in a candy store. I needed to come and get something, and I was looking for specific 3/8 Allen key socket. I unfortunately don't have, but check this out. If for those of you that don't know yet, so they've got not all, but so many timing kits over here. And I am sure I saw the timing kit for the BM, the N47. I'm sure I saw it said N47 and N57, which is a 3-liter TDI motor. That's wheel bearing. Check there. That's for any VW guy is a must. $700, good price. Here we go. I knew I saw it. So I will be buying this, and I know I've got it. If you haven't been to Adendorff, you're missing out. Go check it out.